members, Miss Heidi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make pink glitter slime. So you can actually use any color glitter you'd like, but I'm going to be using pink, and you can use chunky glitter or extra fine depending on what you have. I'm going to use a little bit of both, and you'll also need half a cup of clear glue, half a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon plus half a teaspoon of contact solution, and a mixing bowl to mix in. So let's get started. So first we need to check out our contact solution here, and we need to check the ingredients and make sure that there is boric acid and sodium borate. That's going to help develop our slime. So now we can get started with making our slime. So take your bowl, and first we're going to mix together half a cup of our clear glue, make sure I get all the glue, there we go, and half a cup of water. And mix that together. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our glitter. So if you're using chunky glitter, try not to use too much because it will start to fall out of your slime a little bit. So I'm going to use a little bit of my chunky glitter here. And then I'm also going to add in a little bit of my super fine glitter. There we go. And I'll mix it up just to make sure I like the color. That looks pretty good to me. And next we're going to add in our baking soda. So we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And next, our contact solution. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of contact solution. Plus a half of a teaspoon. And now we'll mix this together. And keep mixing until it starts to come together. After a few minutes of mixing, your slime should be a little less sticky, and you can go ahead and go in with your hands and pick it up and move it around and squish it and knead it until it's a lot less sticky. And have fun. I hope you enjoyed this video and tried it out yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!